Hi, this is Doug Goldstein from Profile Investment Services here in Jerusalem. Although I mostly spend my time helping people who live in Israel handle their U.S. investment accounts, I like to put together these 4-minute money episodes to teach one financial planning idea. I hope you get a great takeaway. If you have any specific questions about the takeaway or what I'm teaching, or really anything to do with your U.S. investment accounts, feel free to get in touch with me. You can check out my website at profile-financial.com. Hope you find this 4-minute money episode valuable. Hi, my name is Doug Goldstein with Profile Investments here in Jerusalem. Today we're going to talk about why you need to build an emergency fund. If you have any questions or comments about what you hear, please be sure to get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. What would happen if you had an emergency, like a huge dental bill or unexpected car repair? And even worse, what if you had lost your job a month before and couldn't even get an interview for a new one? And to top it off, you get a call that a close relative in the States is sick and you desperately want to fly in to help. Do you have the cash to pay? Or would you need to withdraw from your long-term retirement account or sell investments, which could possibly mean you would incur a large tax bill? You need instant access to emergency money. Liquid assets like money markets and bank deposits receive low interest. So why is putting money in a low interest investment a good idea? Let's talk about how to build an effective emergency fund. Generally, folks should have 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses as the benchmark, and sometimes as much as 12 months or more, depending on their other assets and job prospects. Your emergency fund should be in a liquid investment so it can be accessed instantly when needed without penalties. It's true, you won't earn a lot on it, but that's the cost of liquidity. Investing in something that yields a higher return usually involves greater risk you shouldn't take with your emergency fund. Since you may need all of this money, you can't afford a drop in its value. Additionally, if you put the money into an illiquid investment, you may not be able to sell it quickly enough when faced with a bill. Remember, emergencies don't wait for a bull market. Review your personal life and work situation. Someone who works in a field with frequent turnover, like technology, or on a commission-based salary, may need a larger emergency fund. Likewise, a single person may face fewer emergencies than a family with many children, and his fund may not need to be as large. Keeping a decent amount of money in your emergency fund within a safe, easily accessible investment vehicle is an important insurance policy against having to withdraw from your retirement fund or sell out other investments. If you continually need to call on your emergency fund, you should also reevaluate your budgeting practices. For other advice on saving and investing, download a free copy of the retirement planning book that I wrote by going to www.profile-financial.com/RPB. That stands for Retirement Planning Book. Again, that's profile-financial.com/RPB. Once again, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. My name is Doug Goldstein. I'm the head of Profile Investment Services. And before you do any investing, please make sure you read our complete disclosure at www.profile-financial.com/disclosure.